Here's another great RV from family-owned Campbell RV of Southern Florida.
Hey guys, I'm Raina, and today I'm going to take you through a Flagstaff Micro Lite by Forest River. So let's take a look together.
This walkthrough video is designed to quickly show you the basic layout and features of this RV. Now, just like a brochure, this video is just a representation of the manufacturer's floor plan. For every RV made, just like a home, there are many variations of features, options, colors, fabrics, and other specifications, so it's important to contact one of our team members today for actual details about this floor plan. Take note of the clever ways the manufacturer has used every possible space for storage. Of course, we can't show you everything in this short video. You really have to come in and see for yourself to fully appreciate all this RV has to offer. Here at Campbell, we've teamed up with Forest River, Thor, ATC, and Heartland to make your family's RV dreams become a reality. We know you'll be impressed with our knowledgeable sales staff and our walk-in parts department, plus the top-selling floor plans. To be the first to see the latest in RVing, be sure to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, please give us a call at Campbell RV. We're here to help.